Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're taking a look at a project that's called SkyTelecom. So this is a telecom infrastructure provider designed mainly for businesses, developers and platforms that need reliable global communication. So a quick disclaimer before you check SkyTelecom that this video is for educational purposes only. I'm a financial advisor and always do not big research before thinking to invest in any project. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So this is our official website and now let's break down what is SkyTelecom. So SkyTelecom provides SMS and voice communication infrastructure. Instead of building telecom connections themselves, companies can connect to SkyTelecom system and send instantly like things, verification codes, notifications, phone calls, customer alerts, and automate messages. So rather than just being a messaging app, it acts as the backed layer behind apps and services. So for example, when a website sends you a login code, that message is usually delivered by a telecom API provider like this. So one of the main focuses of SkyTelecom is their reliability. So you can see their coverage in over 880 plus countries. You can see uptime is almost 100%, also let's say 99.99%. And one really huge thing that you have technical support 24/7, which is really amazing thing to know, because whenever you have questions you can ask and you will have your response really fast. So this matters because companies rely on these messages for critical actions like account login and payments. If verification messages fail, users can access accounts, which directly affects businesses, which is a good thing to know. So to prevent that, the system uses carrier-grade routing, which is a good thing to know, and this means messages automatically travel through the most stable telecom route available in each region that you're right now in that moment. So SkyTelecom provides two core communication products. First one is global SMS messaging, so used for notification, alerts, and verification codes. The platform includes delivery tracking and performance insights, so companies can see whether messages actually arrive, which is a good thing to know. So you can see second one is to voice and CAP calling, so low latency voice communication for apps and call systems. This allows services to create automated calls, support lines, or authenticator phone calls, which is a good thing to know. So both systems relies on optimized routing, meaning the platform chooses the fastest available telecom path automatically, which is a good thing to know. So that means you don't have to think much what you're going to do because the platform is going to do it for you. Also, another major use case is account security. So SkyTelecom supports OTP codes and two-factor authentication. So when you log in into an account and you receive an one-time code, speed and reliability are really important at that time. So if it arrives late or not at all, the login fails, which is a good thing to know, and it's really simple to do. So the platform focuses on rapid delivery and traceability, meaning companies can monitor if the authentication message was delivered and how long it took to be delivered. Also, SkyTelecom includes a control dashboard where businesses can monitor activity in real time. So this includes delivery status, usage costs, and call records. So there's also an intelligent routing with automatic failover, which is a good thing to know. So if a telecom route stops working, traffic switches instantly to another route, which is a good thing to know. So it won't going to stop. So this prevents outage during peak usage or regional carrier problems, like I said, which is a really good thing to know. Also, SkyTelecom positions itself as a privacy-focused telecom solutions, and it includes audit logs, standard IT management, ops, and out controls. So these tools help companies comply with messaging regulations in different countries, which is a good thing to see. So since telecom laws vary globally, platform needs systems that manage constant and record communication activities. So the goal is to give businesses visibility while protecting user data, which is a good thing in the first place. And what's really good that the platform uses a pay-as-you-go model. So instead of subscription, companies pay only for usage, like per SMS or per minute of voice, which we can see right here. So pricing also depends on region and route, since telecom costs vary between countries. So developers can create an account and receive API keys quickly, which is a good thing to know, and allowing integrations into apps without login setup processes, which is, like I said, a really good thing to have because everything is happening really fast. So right here we can see for the voice calls, we can see rate for a minute from, let's say right here we can see for Afghanistan is 2937 euros per minute, and we can see if we go to SMS rates, we can see, let's say for American Samoa, we can see rate per SMS is 0.0586. We can see it's not really high price for the SMS. So SkyTelecom is mainly designed for CaaS platforms, fintech services, marketplace, authentication systems, and customer notification systems. Basically, any service that needs reliable automated communication at scale, which is a good thing to know. And now guys, I just want to show you the VoIP section that we can see on the left side, that outbound calling, and on the left side you need to enter the number that you want to call. And on the right side we can see that CAP account is online and you need to set everything that you need to do. So first thing first is that you need to set your password. Let's say to change your password because when you make account you won't have the password, or let's say you need to change the password. So by clicking right here change password, you have option to change password. And for example, I made the password right now for CAP password to be from 1 to 8. We can see right here the second thing is there. And also you need to make your SIP balance right here, but I didn't say that when you change the password you need to click this blue button that says save changes. And also you need to charge amount from SIP from wallet. Also right here you can see the amount, and also on the right inside you can see charge. So the minimum amount that you need to charge is 10 euros. So when you finish that, you'll be able to see your SIP balance right here. You can see my balance is 10 euros. And now let me show you an example how this looks. And right here we can see that my call is ringing right now. We can see the number right here. You can see it says +372 689 and 0004. We can see on the bottom that the caller ID is right here. So you can see everything is simple, and we can see that happening that I show you right now. So that wraps up our review of SkyTelecom. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.